The Department of Motor Vehicles regulates the driving privilege in order to promote traffic safety. The first step to becoming a licensed driver is to obtain a driving permit.
And what are you ladies here for today?
Well, my daughter Renee has a 2:30 appointment for a drive test.
And did you have your permit?
Yeah.
What you do is take that to window 12 where they'll check you in for your drive test.
Okay. And I'm here for my permit.
Did you also have an appointment?
I didn't know we needed one for her.
It would be faster, but you don't need one. We can go ahead and take care of her today. Do you have your paperwork?
Mm-hmm.
Be sure to have both parents sign the application. You must also present a document such as a birth certificate that verifies your birth date and that you are legally present in the United States. If you're under 17 and a half, you must meet additional requirements for driver education and driver training. Check the driver handbook for specific requirements.
You have everything filled out and signed. Good. All I need is a check, cash, or money order for the application fee, please.
The application fee pays for both your permit and your license. You have up to 12 months to complete these from the time that you pay this fee.
Thank you.
If you don't obtain a license within this time period, you will need to start the application process over again.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Okay, step over here and we'll take your picture.
Picture? You mean now?
Yes.
My hair looks awful.
Oh, you're always saying that. Here. You look fine. Let's go.
Okay.
Your signature, thumbprint, and photo are all recorded electronically. Now, afterwards, you'll receive a receipt with your picture on it. Be sure to hang on to this. You'll need to keep it until you get your license.
Okay, can you see the vision chart behind me?
Yes.
After a short eye exam, you'll be tested on your knowledge of traffic laws and road signs.
You missed 4 questions. Congratulations.